Hello dear student of class 6. Welcome to DAV Moyle Public Schools online e-learning session. I am your social science teacher Manish sir. Dear student, today we are going to learn about types of seasons of India. Dear student, there is an annual cycles of season in our country and we understand the climate of India in a better way. That here in our country identified a cycle of four seasons: the cold weather season, winter; the hot weather season, summer; advancing monsoon, rainy season; and the retreating monsoon. These are the seasons in our country. Okay, now the cold weather season. Dear student, we know we are feeling so coldness nowadays in our country, in our area. Why? Because here nowadays the cold weather season running in our area, in our country. December, January and February are generally the months of cold weather throughout the country. The temperature in North India is low. The wind in this season blow from land to the sea. Hence, there are almost dry weather conditions in a large part of the country. A little rainfall occurs in the northwestern plains caused by the western cyclonic disturbance from the Mediterranean Sea. So it is all about the cold weather season. Sometimes the temperature is too much low in northern Himalayan region. So next season is the hot weather season. It extends from March to May. The temperature begins to rise by the end of March. And the vertical sunrise shift towards northern hemisphere. Temperature rises gradually from south to north. May and June are the hottest months in the North India when temperature rises up 45 degrees Celsius some places. In western Rajasthan, it shoots up to 50 degrees Celsius. Unbearable temperature in Rajasthan. The hot and dry winds blow in the entire northern plain, and these winds are called Lu. The highest temperature experienced in Karnataka in March, Madhya Pradesh in April, and Rajasthan in May. So it is all about the hot weather season, summer. So here the picture. Kal Baisakhi, it is in a West Bengal, Lu in northern plain, and mango shower in western Ghats. Next one is, dear student, the advancing monsoon. June to September is the period of this season. It is a rainy season in our country. The people in our country that waiting for the advancing monsoon in our country, because we know the agriculture in our country totally depend on this season. So the winds reverse their directions and begin to blow from the southwest to northeast. They blow from the sea to land and have a lot of moisture. Dear student, it is the seasons of the monsoon rain. The winds enter the southern tip of India in the first week of June and gradually move northward and spread over the whole country within a month. Here, the Mawsynram in Meghalaya is the wettest place of the world. The monsoon season affects the lifestyle and economic activity of the people throughout the India. Because the farmers all over India start their agriculture activities this time. More farmers gets employment in this season. The first rain of the monsoon is welcomed with a joy in every part of the country. So it is all about the advancing monsoon, rainy season. The retreating monsoon. Dear student, the monsoon winds start retreating from the northern plain when the temperature begins to fall in the months of October and November. They retreat from the whole country by the end of November, and the weather in North India becomes clear, but high humidity makes it very oppressive and sultry. So, you are seeing this map, the retreating of the monsoon date. This map shows you the date of retreating monsoon in different types of the state. Each and every state has a special date of retreating monsoon. See, in Jammu Kashmir, 15 September. So dear student, this is the retreating monsoon. I hope you understand today's topic. Here is some assignment questions for you on today's topic. You should write these questions in your notebook and write answer of it. Okay, dear student, I hope you understand today's topic. Thank you for making us a part of your day. We will meet in next period with new topic. Thank you for today and have a nice day ahead.